Today we'll see how to use an ABC Powder Fire Extinguisher. An ABC Powder Fire Extinguisher is a multi-purpose fire extinguisher designed to tackle Class A, Class B, Class C and electrically started fires, making them ideal for a variety of fire risks. Now, before using the fire extinguisher, always check the pressure gauge. Make sure that the needle is in the green zone. This indicates that the extinguisher is properly pressurized and ready for use.
Now, remember the word pass. P. Pull the safety pin to unlock the extinguisher. A. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not the flames. S. Squeeze the lever to release the extinguishing agent. S. Sweep from side to side until the fire is completely extinguished.
The dry ABC powder works by interrupting the combustion process and helping suppress the fire quickly. Always remember to maintain a safe distance while using a fire extinguisher. Quick action and correct usage can help control fire before it spreads.